sir. This is Harambee Stars under 20.
And at this point, we'll have the handing over of the flag to the captain from His Excellency the President, as a representation that you have the blessing of His Excellency the President and the country as a whole to represent Kenya. The handing over of the flag from His Excellency the President to the captain, Baron Ochieng. Hold on. Of this team, right? Let me repeat. Mr. Byron Ochieng, this is the flag of Kenya. I'm handing over this flag to you as a gesture of the people of Kenya, the government of Kenya, and myself, of goodwill and our very best wishes as you lead this team of talented young men under 20 from Kenya. As you go to these finals of the under 20 AFCON Games, you have our support, our goodwill, our prayers. And Byron, in honor of this team, I'm handing over this flag to you so that you can fly it high. And I look forward to receiving this flag from you. You promised me that you will surprise the world. Did you?
Yes.
My very best wishes. All right, thank you very much, Your Excellency. We'll now take our seats as we proceed with the rest of the program. Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the president of this great nation, and Team Kenya that are on their way to Egypt. Your Excellency, sir, with your permission, allow me to now invite the FKF president, Hussein Mohammed, who will come and make some few remarks before we proceed with the rest of the program. Karibu Sam. Tumpigie makofi.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, Cabinet Secretary Salim Mvurya, our PS Elijah Mwangi, NEC, members of FKF, coaches, members of staff, Secretariat of FKF, wachezaji wote, hamjambo. Assalamu alaikum. Yangu rais ni machache sana. Your Excellency, first of all, we are grateful for the invitation and for the presentation of the flag to the Under-20 national team. And we want to assure you, Your Excellency, this team is very well prepared and they will do us proud. Your Excellency, we have prepared very well over the last couple of months. The team led by the Youth Committee Chairman, who is also my Vice President, McDonald Mariga, and his team have done a wonderful job in putting this team together and preparing them for this championship. Your Excellency, we are making every stride, every measure is being put in place to ensure that we revive football in this country and to ensure that we have the best for our youth. Infrastructure, we have noted with delight that it is, we are expanding our stadiums, and I'm very happy to see what is happening at the grassroots level and also at the national level. Without right infrastructure, we cannot commercialize football, and it is my hope and prayer that this will continue even at the sub-county or at the constituency level, where we need facilities for our footballers. Women football is on the rise. We need to invest a little bit more also in women football as we develop football holistically. Your Excellency, the Ministry of Sports has been of great support, and I wish to take this opportunity to thank the Ministry, especially the Cabinet Secretary, the PS, and the entire team at Ministry of Sports and Arts and Creative Economy. They have done us a huge favor and a huge service by the support that they have accorded us over the last couple of months. They've held our hands. To the national coach, Benny McCarthy, who's a Champions League winner, just as our Vice President, McDonald Mariga, we welcome you to Kenya with your technical bench from South Africa, and we are looking forward to great things. Your Excellency, this team is like I mentioned, this team is very well prepared. The under-17 girls are playing on the 20th. We also wish them well. They're looking forward to also your support as government, and on their behalf, I want to say thank you for all the support they've gotten, even when they went to prepare in Ivory Coast, and some went to Morocco as well. So with those very few remarks, I just want to pass my gratitude to you and to the rest of government by saying thank you, thank you. We've seen great changes. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Next, Your Excellency, allow me to call the captain, Baron Ochieng, to also make some few remarks.